So today we're going to be going over the record-breaking profit for this gold and platinum miner. This is Sibanye-Stillwater Q1 2021 results. So who are they? Sibanye-Stillwater is a South African gold and platinum group metals miner. They have become incredibly profitable from the rise of rhodium and palladium. We're going to update my previous projections and numbers based off of the Q1 results. So their 2021 Q1 EBITDA was 1.3 billion, which was a 78% year-over-year increase, which is pretty phenomenal. And EBITDA is basically just the money you make before you pay taxes, interest, debt, and can't remember what the A is for. Amortization. So production is up. So I went through their production numbers, what they recorded for Q1, and compared it to my previous annual production number. And platinum production is up 11.5%, palladium production is up 7.2%, rhodium production is up 16.5%. This is a really big one because the rhodium price is the significant driver of their earnings. So being up on rhodium production is fantastic. Ruthenium is up 15% roughly. Iridium up 17.5% again. And this is actually another good one because iridium is up to about $6,400, $6,500 per ounce. So again, seeing production increases in the metals that are the most expensive right now is fantastic. Gold production was actually down 1.01% or whatever. So that's an interesting trend that the platinum group metals are up and gold production is down. Costs are also up. So the US platinum group metals, so this is the Stillwater project, is up 5.3%. Their South African platinum group metals production is up 19%. This is a little worrying. And same thing with this South African gold production is up 14.2%. So this is definitely pretty significant. But it's like with the high platinum group metals prices, I'd love to see this increase production. And if it increases costs, you kind of accept it, is kind of my opinion. So here I went through and updated the numbers based on what's going on currently. So the share price is actually down about 20 cents since I last did my analysis of it. But so I added all the numbers in here, and so we have a projected PE ratio of 2.15, and before I believe it was 2.29, and we have currently projected earnings of $6.6 billion, which again is quite significant. Went through here and just updated the numbers for the costs. So summary, everything looks pretty similar to my previous analysis. Production is up, which is fantastic. Previous projected earnings were 6.3 billion. Updated projected earnings are 6.7 billion. They restated that they're looking to add more gold mines to their portfolio, and they're also interested in adding more kind of lithium projects, anything like that. And the big thing that I think that's going to drive this stock is I expect that their dividend will be increased to 14% based on current share price, which would be about $2.71 per share, with this being paid out twice a year at $1.35 per share. And I'm looking for this at the end of June, or not end of June, but basically how they do their reporting is they have H1 and H2, so first half of the year and second half of the year, and they do kind of preliminary, like quarterly reporting because they're on the New York Stock Exchange, but it'll be at the end of June. And once they do kind of like their H1 reporting, which will probably be in July or August and sometime in there, that they will announce the higher dividend and just kind of announce all the share price and stuff like that and how they've updated their cash balance and debt balance, because going through their Q1 results, they didn't do any kind of financial analysis. So I definitely think that this is a great stock to own and just has tremendous value. Like going back to a PE ratio, projected forward PE ratio of 2.15, that's absolutely phenomenal. It's not going to be that high probably for this because our Q1, the numbers were lower, like rhodium average price was significantly lower than it is currently right now. But this is just kind of looking forward for the next 12 months of what the company is going to be earning. And I think that's probably the best way to steer this. So yeah, thanks for watching.